crispy, yummy samosas. Hi, hello, vanakkam. Welcome to Dosa Pizza. I am Kacha Jaykumar. A lovely session of samosas have been an all-time favorite of everybody all around the world, not only in India, all around the world. And this is really a lovely, yummy, crispy dish. So let's look into how to do this nice samosas. As we are doing the healthy version of the samosas, they are going to be equal proportion of maida and whole wheat. So it's 1 cup of each. Just mix them well. Now add required salt. Add 3 spoons of oil. Sprinkle water. See to that the dough is not soft. I mean, it's not very loosely packed like the chapati dough. It should be stiff like the puri dough. Now while our dough is resting, let's start doing the filling or the masala for it. Add 3 spoons of oil to this. Let's add cumin or jeera to the oil. Now add the onions. Put it in a mixer jar and grind this to a coarse, this ginger and chilli. So what will happen is when you're eating the samosas, it will be more enjoyable that you don't bite a piece of chilli and feel very hot or spicy. So just grind it in the mixer jar. Add salt. Here we have the ground chilli and ginger. Now let's add the cooked and diced potatoes. Now let's add the cooked green peas. Now add all the powders. Chili powder. This is the coriander powder or the dhania powder. Some amchur or dry mango powder. Turmeric powder, garam masala powder. You can either click the information card or the description tab to know the details about the garam masala. It's a beautiful homemade garam masala. Now lastly add the lemon juice. Now the masala is completely ready. The filling is ready for the samosas. So our dough has been resting for 20 minutes. Now just start preparing the samosas. For the samosas, the chapatis we are going to do is not going to be round in shape. If you're going to do it in round shape, it will be very difficult to make the cones out of it. So let's make it into a long oblongated shape or an oval shape. As the dough is little stiff, it will be difficult for you to spread it, but that will be very good and you will get a crispy samosa out of it. Let us not roll them to very thin sheets. Now we have made the chapatis for the samosas. We are going to follow one small trick here. Now just heat a dosa pan. Put one side of the chapati to it and let it get slightly roasted, then remove it. So this will help to remove the excess water from the dough so your samosas stay crispy and nice. This trick we have already shown in our earlier version with the microwave, and because now it's not possible for everybody to do it with the microwave, we are just showing it the normal regular tawa. Now one small bubble start to appear. Here we have the maida and water mixed together. It should be very thin and dilute. Now make a cone with this. First apply this on the sides. Give it a nice press. Let's keep the potato filling. Now here we have the extra portion. Just give it a press like this. Just pull it and cover it. If you feel it is little dry and it might open if you have the doubt, just put some water and seal it well. Now heat some oil in a pan. Just test if the oil is hot. See to that the oil is in medium heat. If it's going to be very hot, then what will happen is they will look crispy, but after some time they become soft. So now have a look at this. It's been done. Can you see the sizzling sound has come down? So the samosas are done. So dear friends, hope you enjoyed this lovely international recipe. It's Indian, but it is completely international. Everybody likes this samosa. Do try this lovely, yummy, crispy samosa with all the small tips so that you get it right. Dosa to Pizza is all about enhancing your taste buds. If you like this video, press like, subscribe to Dosa to Pizza. Thank you. Bye-bye.